In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist IP in Cloudflare. We'll be creating a custom security rule that allows traffic from a specific IP address by telling Cloudflare to skip certain protections for that source. This is especially useful if you want to make sure your own connection, an office network, or a trusted administrator IP doesn't get blocked by security rules. To begin, sign into your Cloudflare account and go to the account home area. Once you're there, click on Domains so you can view the websites connected to your account. From that section, click on Overview to see the full list of domain settings and account level information. Next, select the domain you want to configure. Make sure you choose the correct website because the rule you create will apply only to that domain. After opening the domain, go to the Security section. This is where Cloudflare keeps the tools related to filtering, protection, and access control. Inside Security, click on Security Rules. This area lets you define how Cloudflare should handle different types of traffic. To create a new rule, click Create Rule, and then choose Custom Rules. A custom rule gives you more control, which is exactly what we need for whitelisting a specific IP. Now, enter a rule name. You can use something clear and descriptive, like whitelist admin IP. Naming the rule well makes it easier to identify later if you need to update or remove it. For the rule condition, set the field to IP source address. This tells Cloudflare that the rule should evaluate the visitor's incoming IP address. Then, in the value field, enter the IP address you want to whitelist. Be careful here and double check the IP before continuing, because even a small typo could cause the rule to apply incorrectly. Under the section labeled, then take action. Set the action to skip. This is the key part of the process. Choosing skip tells Cloudflare to bypass selected security processing for requests coming from that trusted IP, which is what effectively whitelists it in this setup. Once everything looks correct, click Deploy to save and activate the rule. After deployment, it's a good idea to test access from that IP address to confirm the rule is working as expected. Also, remember that if your internet provider changes your public IP frequently, you may need to update this rule later. And that's it. You've successfully whitelisted an IP in Cloudflare using a custom security rule.